Do you know the amazing benefits of drinking ginger tea every day? Welcome to the world of ginger tea, a beverage with a history as rich as its flavor. This zesty aromatic infusion has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, thanks to its potent health-boosting properties. Originating from Southeast Asia, ginger is revered in many cultures for its medicinal uses. And when steeped in hot water, it forms a soothing tea that is more than just a delightful drink. But what makes this humble root so special, and why should you consider making it a part of your daily routine? Well, it turns out that drinking ginger tea every day can have a multitude of benefits for your health. From aiding digestion to boosting your immune system, this potent brew is a true powerhouse. So are you ready to discover the magic of ginger tea? Stay with us as we delve into the 9 reasons why you should be drinking ginger tea every day. Ever had an upset stomach? Ginger tea could be your solution. It's a soothing elixir that's been cherished for centuries for its digestive benefits. This humble root, steeped in hot water, creates a tea that can help your digestive system in several ways. Firstly, ginger tea aids in the digestion process. It does this by speeding up the movement of food from the stomach to the small intestine. This can be particularly helpful if you've eaten a large meal. Secondly, if you're feeling bloated, ginger tea can come to your rescue. It contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation and thus alleviate bloating. Finally, ginger tea is a natural remedy for nausea. Whether it's morning sickness, motion sickness, or just a general feeling of queasiness, a cup of ginger tea can help settle your stomach. Multiple scientific studies back these benefits, making ginger tea a trusted ally for your digestive health. So for a happy stomach, consider a cup of ginger tea. Looking to shed some extra pounds? Ginger tea might be your new best friend. This aromatic brew is not just a treat for your taste buds, but it also packs a powerful punch when it comes to weight loss. So, how does it work? Well, ginger is known to rev up your metabolism. This means your body burns calories more efficiently, even when you're resting. And the best part? You don't have to make any drastic changes to your routine or diet. In addition to boosting metabolism, ginger tea can also play a crucial role in suppressing your appetite. It keeps those pesky hunger pangs at bay, helping you resist the urge to reach for unhealthy snacks. This can be particularly beneficial if you're trying to maintain a balanced diet. Imagine all these benefits in just 1 cup of tea. So next time you're craving a warm, soothing drink, why not opt for a cup of ginger tea? With ginger tea, you could be on your way to a healthier you. Pain relief without popping pills? It's possible with ginger tea. Imagine the comfort of a warm cup of tea, coupled with the relief of easing pain. Ginger tea is a potent potion that helps with inflammation and muscle pain. It's like nature's own ibuprofen, without the side effects. Ginger contains compounds known as gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds can help soothe sore muscles, reduce swelling, and even ease the pain associated with conditions such as arthritis. It's like a warm, cozy blanket for your aching body. And it's not just for muscle aches and pains. If you've ever had a headache or menstrual cramps, a cup of ginger tea can be a soothing solution. It works by blocking the formation of the inflammatory compounds that trigger the pain. So next time you're reaching for a painkiller, consider reaching for a cup of ginger tea instead. For a natural pain reliever, look no further. Worried about heart health? Ginger tea may help. Now let's delve into the heart of the matter. Ginger tea, aside from its flavorful punch, holds potential benefits for cardiovascular health. Research suggests that ginger can lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. How does this work? Well, ginger acts as a blood thinner, facilitating smooth circulation, thereby reducing the pressure exerted on arterial walls. It's like easing a traffic jam in your blood vessels. Moving on to cholesterol, often termed the silent killer. High cholesterol can lead to dangerous buildups in your arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. But guess what? Ginger tea comes to the rescue again. It's believed that ginger can lower cholesterol levels, keeping your arteries clear. So, while we're not suggesting you swap out your heart medication for a cup of ginger tea, it's worth considering as a supportive addition to your heart-healthy diet. Remember, every little bit helps. For a healthier heart, ginger tea could be a great addition to your diet. Want to boost your immune system? Try ginger tea. Now you might be wondering why. Well, the answer lies in the potent antioxidants found in ginger. These powerful compounds are warriors in the battle against disease-causing free radicals in our bodies. They are like the body's personal knights, fighting off these harmful invaders to maintain our health and well-being. But that's not all. Ginger tea also contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. This is essential because chronic inflammation can lead to various health problems, including a weakened immune system. So, by sipping on a warm cup of ginger tea, you're not just enjoying a delicious drink, but also helping your body ward off potential health threats. And don't forget, ginger tea is also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and magnesium, further bolstering your overall immunity. So in essence, your daily cup of ginger tea is your body's shield, protecting you from within. Stay healthy and strong with a daily cup of ginger tea. Struggling with respiratory issues? Ginger tea can come to your rescue. You see, ginger is a natural decongestant and antihistamine, which makes it a potent weapon against respiratory conditions. If you're battling a nagging cold, a stubborn cough, or even something more chronic like asthma, a warm cup of ginger tea can provide much-needed relief. How does it work? Well, ginger contains compounds like gingerols and shogalls. These compounds help to reduce inflammation in your airways, making it easier for you to breathe. Plus, ginger is a natural expectorant, which means it helps to break up and expel mucus from your lungs. Drinking ginger tea regularly can also help to boost your body's immune response, making you less susceptible to respiratory infections in the first place. So whether you're simply looking for a comforting drink during flu season or need help managing a chronic respiratory condition, ginger tea could be just what you need. Breathe easy with the help of ginger tea. Stressed out? Ginger tea can help you relax. Let's explore how. Ginger tea is a treasure chest of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce stress and anxiety. These compounds work by calming your mind and soothing your nerves. When we're stressed, our bodies produce a hormone called cortisol. High levels of cortisol can lead to anxiety, sleep problems, and even weight gain. But the magical compounds in ginger tea can help regulate these cortisol levels, reducing the physical and mental effects of stress. Moreover, ginger's warm, spicy aroma itself can help calm your senses, promoting a sense of well-being and relaxation. It's like a warm hug from the inside, making you feel cozy and at peace. This is why many people incorporate ginger tea into their daily routine, particularly in the evening, to help them unwind after a long day. So, unwind and de-stress with a comforting cup of ginger tea. Want a natural glow? Ginger tea can do wonders for your skin. Ginger tea, the humble brew with a spicy kick, is a treasure trove of nutrients that your skin will love. Infused with antioxidants, ginger tea fights off free radicals that wreak havoc on your skin, causing premature aging and wrinkles. It's like an elixir of youth in a cup, keeping your skin youthful and vibrant. But the benefits don't stop there. Ginger tea is also a wonderful remedy for inflammation and acne, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes redness and swelling, giving your skin the calm it deserves. And if you're battling with uneven skin tone, fear not. Ginger tea helps in enhancing your skin's complexion, promoting an even skin tone and a natural glow. It's clear, the path to radiant skin is paved with cups of ginger tea. So why not brew a cup today and let your skin soak in the goodness? For radiant skin, add ginger tea to your daily routine. So there you have it, 9 compelling reasons to drink ginger tea every day. From aiding digestion, promoting weight loss, to offering pain relief, ginger tea is a beverage that's packed with health benefits. Not only does it support cardiovascular health, but it also gives your immunity a boost and promotes respiratory health. And let's not forget about its stress-relieving properties and the wonders it can do for your skin. Imagine all these benefits in a single, soothing, and aromatic cup of tea. It's almost like having your own personal health coach in a teacup. With such a wide range of health benefits, it's worth considering incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine. Whether it's first thing in the morning, a midday pick-me-up, or an evening wind-down, a cup of ginger tea is more than just a warm beverage. It's a step towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, A cup of ginger tea a day could keep many health issues at bay. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.